What's going on, guys? This is a GE clothes dryer. I will put the exact model name in the title and description. But if you are replacing the timer, this guy here, if you've set your timer, say whatever, 60 minutes, 50 minutes, 40, whatever, you hit start, you can hear it buzzing kind of sort of, but the time never moves. That could mean that the timer module is just not working properly. So what you need to do is look at yours. There's usually a part number on the back of it right there. It's very easy to get to. You got 3 Phillips head screws, one there, one there, one there. Remove those screws and just tilt this forward. It'll give you access to everything. Make sure you unplug it also from the wall over there. But get the part number from yours, and then you can go find it on eBay or Amazon or wherever your appliance website of choice. Replacing it is very easy also. You just basically rotate it. These tabs are in place here. Here, you just basically rotate it and unplug everything. But you may want to take note of which color wires go where. Okay, so I'm going to show you. You have black on the far left, brown, red, orange with a black stripe. Then on the bottom, yellow, white, black. Okay, so you got these grounds. Make sure see the black ones on the far right there. Those are the ground wires, obviously. So you may want to pause this or screenshot it or whatever, because if you're starting from scratch and you have no idea how these wires go, that's what I am doing. Okay, no big deal. And then once you plug those in, reinsert your screws, plug it back in, turn it on. When you hear it, if you listen closely, that means the timer is actually rotating, of course. But just keep an eye on the little arrow right there. And if you see it going down just ever so slightly in a couple of minutes, it's probably working properly. Mine was not. Even though the timer was making noise, it was not rotating. Anyway, not very expensive. I'll put a link down below where you can get this one for this particular model. But yeah, not very expensive and pretty easy to replace. So there you go. Once again, GE dryer. All right, and if you open the door, you can see the model name right there, serial number. That'll give you some things that you can search when you search online. GTDP180ED0WW is the model. And that's it. Works great. This thing is really quiet. My old one that I've had for more than 25 years that I had fixed numerous times finally died on me, so I got one of these delivered to me from Facebook Marketplace. The guy took my old one and gave me this one for a nice low price. Very happy about it. And that's that. Check out my channel. I got all kinds of videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, golf carts, motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, classic cars, fixing stuff around the house, all kinds of cool stuff. And if our video helped you, make sure you click the thanks button that's under the video screen. And please send a donation. This will help us do further videos to help people in the future. And look for our social media links in the description. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.